This is Fluency Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 19. And today we're just going to practice our group counting. I know you might be getting really tired of it, but hopefully you're also getting really good at it. I know I'm getting way better at it since I've been doing these. Let's start here with our 6s to 60. And we will count up and then count down just like we always do. All right, starting at 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And back down from 60, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. All right, good work. Let's move on to 70s. As usual, if you were not comfortable with that, I want you to stop and practice it a few times. But we will move on the video to the 7s. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. All right, you made it up there. Let's make it back down. 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. Okay, again, as you're doing that, you can be thinking in your head, oh, times 1, times 2, so that you're keeping track of that as well and becoming more and more familiar with these multiplication facts which is actually what you're doing is you're skip counting. All right, let's look at our 8s to 80. We haven't practiced 8s as much, but you've got this. Let's start. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. As you're counting, look for those patterns and try and think ahead to see, each time my digit in my ones place is 2 less than the time before. For at least part of it, that will work for you. All right, let's go starting back down from 80. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right, again, really great patterns with the 8s. If you write them down, and actually it's a good idea for you to write them down and then look at that. What patterns do you see and what's happening? And 9s, of course, has really great patterns. So I want you to try that as well. When you finish doing this, write down your 9s, maybe write them all horizontally and look at what's happening with the numbers. So we'll start with 9 going up to 90, and then we'll come back down. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let's come back down from 90, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, and 9. All right, you have made it to the end, and I'll be honest, this is maybe the first time that I have also made it to the end of all of those without making any mistakes at all. So have a good day.